34 to 37 and light winds, so the frost should form in those areas. Just a little warmer, 38 to 41 in the metro area, and so it's probably not going to be a problem. But if there are issues around that 38, 39, and again light winds, it would be in the northern suburbs. Around I-94 to the south, it's probably the low 40s. Here's an example. Lapeer 37, while it's 40 in Detroit. Capac though 37, Ann Arbor 39, 41 in Tipton. So a couple degrees this time of year in this situation can really make the difference. Your forecast tonight, partly cloudy, frost on the north side, 40 in Detroit with light winds. 64 tomorrow, now partly, even at times mostly sunny, a little east breeze. It's not much, but it's just enough that if you're nearest the lakes, especially of course Lake St. Clair, Lake Huron, and Lake Monroe, you might not get to 64, probably closer to 60. It will be around 60 with mostly cloudy skies and a chance for a shower